Are we up? Are we... Oh, we're back. I brought us back from the grave. I don't know why it cut off right then. Why my internet cut off, but maybe I streamed for too much. But we're so back. Back again. It looks like I downloaded my Ubuntu image, but I can't see that small. This is why I should stop using desktop environments for when I do tasks like this. Anyway, I lost internet connection. Maybe I sent too many packets. Maybe they found out that I was using Nmap and exploring my own LAN, but I mean, look, I was not exploring the fucking other stuff. So the WLAN, but I was exploring my own ETH 0, END 0. What is that? A fucking... Oh, I was like, is that the fucking Windows 11 logo? Am I about to install Windows 11? Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. But we're back. For like, until it decides to cut out on me again. Whoa, don't do that. Yeah, that's unnecessary. That's uncalled for, man. Back. Give me the big screen. I want everybody needs to see that while we're doing it. See it slide around my fucking desk. We're gonna figure this shit out. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm doing this fucking laggy ass shit, but we just got our downloads. So let's go to Dolphin, the fucking Ubuntu KDE K desktop environments folder. Yes. Now we have that. And I have Armbian. I have a magical thing for you. Don't install Armbian app image. Just use Armbian itself. Alright, Armbian itself. Spectaculoso. Might have lost connection earlier, but we're gonna figure it out with this one. We're gonna get it done. Armbian Imager has support for other images, so you don't have to put Armbian through it. I think that's the case. So you can flash a custom image with Armbian Imager. It's like one of them. It's a fancy tool. It's a tool. Useful. Oh my god. K desktop environment is so good, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Bloatware. I like WebGL. WebGL makes my life hell. No, it's OpenGL makes my life hell. That's it. Don't flash Armbian into that thing. How's it going, Sisyphus? Let's go in Ubuntu. Once we go Ubuntu, we're not going back to, I don't know, something Ubuntu. Make up some kind of good joke with Ubuntu. Oh, right, we didn't even finish that one thing we were working on. The one thing. We'll talk about that more in a second. Alright, but anyway. What does this say? Can you guys read that for me? That says, meet our Armbian Imager 2.3. It just came out. They just dropped 2.2 yesterday. Like, how is that a thing? Anyway, where's the custom OS image? Choose OS. All images. I want my own custom one to go in there. Here, all images. Can I do a local image? Can I not do an Armbian image with this? So then how do I flash it? I'm sure it contains instructions on the Armbian website. I also cannot see that. This is the worst view mode for me. Oh god. Alright, so known major issues, access credentials. Tips. Yes, I like tips. Tips, good. Alright, I gotta go. Again, wish you luck. Got it. I hope you have a nice day. Maybe it's just on the Ubuntu image itself. Take me to the Ubuntu image and give me the answers, please. They should have instructions to install. Maybe it's on OS images itself. I'm sure they have to cover the installation procedures here. Linux, Ubuntu, third-party images. This stream is pretty fucked. The stream is pretty much fucked with OBS crashing just then. Oh, I brought it back though. I have no idea how that happens. Potentially one of these capture devices happened. But yes, that was pretty scary because the whole screen went black for a second. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're not using that mouse setup. Let's just leave it alone and not fuck with it, because I think it's working and not gonna crash again, like it just did the past 2 times. This time I'm just gonna plug in a different mouse. I think what it is when it's when I look at the image, I think I have one of the cameras configured wrong, like this one or that one, for example, or this is configured. One of these things is configured wrong. So once I set it up and use it, then it will crash. So that's amazing. Which it could be just a BG3 or YYU12. That sounds so funny. YYU12. Let's plug this in and see what happens. See if it crashes everything. It's working. It ain't pretty, but it works. Maybe it's just a random thing that happens. Or I'm like fucking something up somehow, but anyway. Where is my documentation hiding at? This is way worse to put it on that screen. I want it on this screen so it's like right in front of me and it's got the best view. Alright, I now have the ability to see, I think. Scroll up. Scroll up again. Android, Ubuntu. I can see a lot of stuff, but I don't see what I'm looking for. I think it's getting started is what I was going to click on. Before all that shit was crashing because I unplugged the keyboard, I think. I think it crashed because I unplugged the keyboard and plugged it in somewhere else. It waited for me to plug it in somewhere else and I was like, oh, time to crash. Supported 20.04 server. Yes, so this will have an installer. Download the installer image here. Well, I already have it installed. Technically, we're installing it over from a PC. So here's how it is. This SD card is my PC. This is the desktop. Well, not the desktop. This is the fucking computer. This is my PC. This is what's running my PC. Then this is where my internet goes. To this thing. To this fucking chunk of technology. Are we being fed ads right now? Oh, I was like, are we being fed ads? I like to gobble up my ads every day, bro. I like ads. I like them a lot. I'm a Google supporter 100%. I say make Google amazing. That's why I'm using Firefox today and not Tor browser like I did yesterday. Oh my god, I love you, Google. Anyway. Actually. Operating systems we're providing. Operating systems. Yeah, but we have the ability to flash. So how do you flash it? Do you just use Boolean Etcher? What do you flash it with? Magic? User installer. Install from PC. Download Etcher. Son of a... Boolean Etcher is back to kill us again. Well, maybe the app image will work. I don't think they accounted for somebody trying to do this from a fucking SD card. Alright, I'm gonna download Boolean Etcher on my PC. There is a way to emulate an x86 architecture with ARM to run x86 systems, but I don't want to try that out. Can I get this on ARM? Can I get this on ARM, please? For Linux, 64-bit. It doesn't say anything about... Oh. Doesn't it say x64? That doesn't mean ARC64, does it? That means 64 bits. Here's legacy. Looking for... Yes? Yes, please? Yes. GitHub. Okay. We are on track. Now, we just need to do sudo pacman syu 10 times. Oh wait, wrong OS. Let's get this shit to work. And REHL. Debian Ubuntu. Oh god. Wenget for Windows. Oh, they have apt install instructions. Thank you, thanks. GNU x86. I can't see that. I also don't have the ability to zoom in. Oh god, what do we do? Plug in a keyboard. That's what we do. Keyboard. Part 2. Insert a loop. Yes. How many peripherals do you need? Yes. Does the charger count as or does the power supply count as a peripheral? I don't think it does. A mon avis, no peripheral. I don't know the French, guys. I installed those locales. I don't have them anymore. Alright, I need to do control and zoom in. Right? Zoom in a lot. AMD64.deb. Son of a fucking... AMD. Like, I use AMD, right, guys? Please tell me that you have the correct... you have one for ARM, right? They provide an app image. I think you can use that on an ARM, but I don't want to try it out. How to... Oh, wrong system. I think that will answer my questions. Please don't give me Google Gemini, the fucking slop. Pi apps? What about Rufus? Maybe he will do the task. Image flasher for ARM. I need this now. For Ubuntu, or no, for Debian AR64. That should give us what we're looking for. Install Bolina Etcher or Raspberry Pi Imager on your Mac. No, that's so fucking not what we need. Okay, so it says Armbian Imager, but can it do external images? We already knew to use Armbian Imager. We found that out in the fucking other half of the stream that somehow cut it off my internet. It's still going in this one. I don't understand why that happened. Maybe I got blacklisted for trying to show off Armbian. Oh my gosh, Armbian. Oh, he's using Armbian OS. He's not using Windows. Fuck him. You can't be installing a new operating system on your computer. No, no, no. You can't be playing with technology live on stream. I'm pretty sure that's what they're saying. That must have been what happened. They can't be technologically sophisticated? That ain't allowed. Oh. Please don't crash my keyboard and mouse again. Please don't do that. I beg you. I haven't installed Arch Linux in 10 days. And I won't go another day. What does this say? All images are rolling release. That's my options, guys. Rolling release or all images? But I'm not looking for that. That's not what I'm looking for. Let me look at the Armbian. It says 1.1 gigabyte for the fucking Armbian KDE. Go back to the top. Right here. How? Give me a temperature check. Approximately 233 degrees Celsius. Use a custom image. Yeah, the last stream didn't go well. The internet cut out. I got blacklisted, I guess. Totally. Use a custom image. Beautiful. And we already know what it's gonna do. Explode. Alright, this is how you flash from Armbian to an eMMC. Go to downloads. And in downloads, there should be an XZ. Then you're gonna open console. You're gonna go to console and CD into downloads. CD downloads. On XZ. Alright, on XZ tab. So we unXZ the image. And now we are completed. At this time, my computer and this SD card is going to transfer the image to the eMMC. What does that say? Oh, it's not even done yet. It's going to take forever, and it's using up a lot of performance and producing a lot of heat. Oh my god. Approximately 400 degrees Celsius, by the way. That's the heat meter right now. 432 degrees Celsius and rising. Give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one. Please. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I think we hit the peak temperature that it can handle. Son of a... Oh my god. Maybe it was never built for on XZ. It was never meant to handle this much throughput, this much processing. It can't handle the heat. My poor silicon's whistling. Oh god. 433 degrees Celsius, clearly. God damn, it's reaching a peak steak medium rare temperature. God damn. I just want to get a temperature on this thing. Can we do a fast fetch on it? I don't think I have a fast fetch installed, actually. I should get a new cooling system. That'd be pretty cool. I don't like how it's wobbling and potentially damaging that ribbon. Please don't break the ribbon. Good god, this thing's hot, by the way. I like Arc, by the way. I use Arc, by the way. I don't know why I'm using fucking KDE Noble right now, but that's gonna take a minute. That is taking quite a minute to un-XZ. So, good god. Gordon, we're doomed. But this is how long it should take. I just need to get the data, see the core usage. I should have installed BTOP for this task. Well, we have GNOME Resource Viewer if we want to be like fucking cringe. Ding 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 ding. Oh yeah. Oh, it finished. Oh man, I didn't get to get the core usage. Because uncompressing an XZ file, that made a lot of heat. That's crazy to me. But not crazy at all. Like, the whole board is as hot as fucking... Oh, God. Gordon, what the fuck is the temperature at? It's throttling the CPU. Whoa. Extreme lag? Yeah. That's probably either from the HDMI or the fact that this shit's dying. Like, actively. No GPU usage, but the CPU is heavily throttling right now. What's the temperature looking like? Gordon, I need a status report at this time. I need a temperature report. Gordon, where's the status report? I can't see that. It's too fucking small. I got my head up against the TV. Oh, God. It's too small. I need a fucking status report. ASAP. Somebody give me a status report. How's the temperature looking? Thermo... Super hot. Super hot. Alright, next step. Either we should unplug it and cool it down, or we should fucking just throw it and keep going. I mean, what's wrong? I mean, like, nothing's wrong. I mean, it's just a little hot. Super hot. Alright, what we're gonna do. I'm gonna install the case, because I'm tired of having it do that shit. And... things. Alright, that's good enough. It doesn't have to be fully on there. It just has to be enough so I don't see that it's doing dumb shit and looking stupid. Anyway, what the fucking hell. Bro, I'm saying, it's at grok temperature. Raw grok temperature is 500 degrees Celsius. This is hotter than the Elon Musk maximum power data center. Alright, close that. Close that! I said close it. I said close it. Okay, next steps. Follow-on steps, right? We go back to the Armbian imager. Armbian Linux. Linux. Armbian. It should say IMG. You click on the one that says IMG. Give me this one. Ha! And you click the button that says open. Cloud Opus. Even ChatGPT's AI that cooling doesn't cool that. Bro, it's at the maximum temperature. Alright. It's crashed, potentially. Hopefully not. I mean, probably did. It's probably because we're trying to use that one thing. Alright. Target the MMC block. Bing ding 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 ding. Oh yes, erase and flash. Long live Doom. Alright, I gotta remember the password for this one. Wait, how did we even log in? It just logged me in automatically? That's pretty fucked up, honestly. I didn't have it set to do that. Writing the image to the device. Yeah. Super good. They'll call me, Computer Master XXL because of how many peripherals I got installed on my single board computer. I'm gaming. I'm gaming on this. I'm playing Half-Life on this. Once we're done, I install a custom desktop environment. I'll install GNOME Linux if this video gets 5 trillion views. Make it happen. And you'll get to watch me attempt to install GNOME on a fucking Odroid M1S. And then you'll get to watch me attempt to use it at 1 million views. So, make that happen. 1 million views, and I will, or 100,000 views. I would actually probably install GNOME on this. Yes, make it happen. Tell everybody you know to watch this video, and I'll install GNOME Linux on this device. And then we'll play Half-Life 2. Yes, we'll play Half-Life 2 on there. I'm gonna game on it if we get 100,000 views on GNOME Linux. Actually, at 200,000 views, we game on it. That's it. That's it. That's a trick. Alright, but anyway. Oh, yeah. Hopefully my keyboard doesn't crash my computer again, like it did the other few times in the stream so far. That was fucking awesome. It's fucking raw. Practicing for Gordon Ramsay impressions. Oh my god, that Ethernet chip is super hot. This is the Ethernet thingy. Ethernet transformer, I should say. There's his friend, Ethernet chip. And then here's the fucking thingy. And the thingus. And the heating thing. And here's a light. Another LED. Another LED. And here's the MIPI, or MIPI, if you want to have a funny name for it. Here's an M2, but on the bottom. And then here's your gigabits, C, USB. Oh, it has 8G. You probably are wondering, is that 8G Wi-Fi? No, it's 8G of RAM. 8 grams of RAM. Oh, you probably missed the part where I was like talking about fucking, or no, what is it? Talking about how this board is like in the images. If you look at their website, they got a bunch of pictures of use cases, and one of them was like flock cameras, and I'm like, bro, flock cameras, literally built DIY flock camera. Next project. All right, cool. Sudo shutdown -h now. So actually, if we ran sudo reboot -h now, I think that would actually This will boot us into the actual Odroid board. Yes. No. Maybe so. Alright, what's the capture looking? I hope this doesn't crash it. I think it could have been the capture device. That's not it. This one. BG3. Motion JPG. No. You missed peak. It was pretty funny. I don't know if it was peak. We need to wait for a minute. It's probably doing a bunch of shit in there. But I can't see the HDMI. When that happens... OBS is down at this... OBS down. OBS crash. I don't know what happened. Hold on. We're too powerful for the tubes. Tubes of the YTs. Maybe I got a message on Discord and it crashed everything. Even the mic has lag spikes? Yeah, probably. Turn that off. What the hell is going on? I don't know what crashed. I think it was Discord. And it crashed Brave browser, which crashed the entirety of Arc. Oh, my finger. Zap. Ooh, Ubuntu. Debian OS. Morbius. It's Morbin time. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so these aren't turning on, which is a bad sign. The lights on this? Not on. What's going on here? Give me the shit. Give me that shit. Is that it? Or is it this? Or is it the other one? Please don't crash it. Don't do BG3. That's... Please don't do that. Oh no. Gordon, we're doomed. Camera? Why is it not working? Why no work? Doesn't like that? YU12? BG3. That's a camera. BG3 works. Right? Well, I like BG3. Why is it not giving me a video? Where's my video feed? Gordon, where's the video feed? Okay, it wants YU4:2:. But it doesn't like to give HDMI output. Or it can't be on there. No way. Chat, is that even real? What if it's actually running on the display? Oh, I need to unplug this before I even touch that. Need to unplug that. Remove that so it's not connected any longer. Unplug this. Probably pull out the whole board. Not grab it by the heatsink, because that's a bad idea. Okay. Pull out the whole board. Camera's working, yes. I'm just trying to get the video. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this for until it figures its life out. Good. Hard kernel. Good grief. So it was actually working. Holy sh... Fuck you, Ubuntu. Ubuntu cringe. Ubuntu. well, it's turning into those 500,000 views anime. Anime Ubuntu. Ubuntu? Server login? I don't know the password, it's probably Odroid. Odroidium. Oh. Odroid. Ubuntu. Droid 2. God damn it. Get into Ubuntu. Please tell me that was the password. Thank you. Welcome to Hardcore Odroid M1S version 5.1 0 blah 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 blah. Today, how may I help you? You may help me by working very well and doing what I'm going to make it do. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and pass WD. Or actually, we'll just remove this. No, actually, we'll just change the password. Yeah. Man, it's just me or does this camera get like shittier every episode? Oh. It does, doesn't it? It gets so shitty. It gets so shitty. What? Token manipulation error. Huh? Oh, I know what that means. It wants the current password. Good job. Good job, Mr. Freeman. Very good. Figured it out. Very good stuff. Task. Next one. ls/boot. Alright, who can see the one that says something awesome that I want to see? Can I zoom in? Oh, I can't even use a mouse. Why do I even have a mouse plugged in? Boot.src, you got your DTBs, and you got your config ini. So you want to do sudo nano boot conf ini. Super good. Oh, what do we do? I can't see what that says. Hold on. Control X. I can't tell. ls/boot config.ini must be empty. Oh, I put conf. Oops. I was thinking of dconf. Dconf 2026. Finally. Okay, here we go. Overlay profile. I2C, I2CI, SPIO, VU5S, overlay custom, default. Oh, okay. So these are all the overlays. Now, I don't really know what overlay settings we're going to need, but I don't want to do anything on my keyboard because it will crash us again. So, we're going to put in the VU5S. which should just be as simple as overlay underscore vu5s, which won't work if it's plugged into HDMI. So we're gonna go ahead and Control S, Control X. We're gonna sudo shutdown -h now. We're good. All right. Amazing. Step 2. Unplug shit we don't need. Starting with this. The fucking cable disaster is going on right now. Cable management, come on, fix your cable management. Skill issue per all. Cable manage. Manage harder your cables. You will. You must. Alright, unplug. And then reinstall with this. Please don't make any weird breakage sounds. I don't like breakages. MIPI cable is now plugged in. At this time, the MIPI cable is attempting to be plugged in by me. Again. Second time this episode you get to see me plug in a MIPI cable. Beautiful. Put this on top, the cherry on top. If it works, everything will work. Because this is the correct image that supports what I'm about to try to do. Ubuntu. Okay, well that's not what I want it to do. That's great. Oh, wow. Spectaculoso. Come on, come on, just fucking stay put and don't try to fall out. Just gotta put a little more force on it, honestly. Force until it breaks. Break or bust. Alright, looks like it's in. Odroid M1S board with display. Let's see. Does it display or does it break? That's the real question of today's episode. Did we manage to do it or did we fail trying? Tringletron. Please work. Please just work. Oh, I should have set up SSH, but I didn't think to do that. No work. No. Well, it's almost there. Just a little bit more effort. A little bit more engineering. It's failed because we need to put SSH keys on. Odroid. Password. Password is the password. What happened to your voice? Bro, goddamn purity. Sick shit. Nice. Clear. Alright, what do we need to do next? So now we finished all this. What do I need to do next? I need to figure out why it doesn't work. That's partly part of the issue. I need a IP address show and ETH0. If it's not ETH, it's END. All right, and then we have ETH0. It's 10.1.10.166. Okay. SSH dash key gem. Generating key pair. Enter the file directory in which. Yes. All right. I'm gonna write that down. That one's a bit of a pain. Okay. So next, I can now SSH to it. Oh, this is, and the IP was like 10 dot something. It's gonna change, so I'm not gonna write it down. 10.1.66, or is that 65? I can't see that small. I need to make that bigger. 66. Okay. All right, let me connect on my ends. SSH. Whoa, connection is not using post-quantum key exchange algorithm? That's interesting. That's something to look into. That's probably the, but it's over. Yeah, it's safe. Just SSHing my way into that thing. Oh, never mind. Temperature 41.2 Celsius. All right, now I can actually switch us out of this one. Put us in here. So. What do we gotta do next? So, my humble opinion is to ask AI for help. Oh, here, we gotta finish this at the end of the stream. Or next stream, maybe. Beautiful. Odroid M1S VU5S display not lighting or config. All right, so you go to overlays. Oh, and you put that as the generic? Cool. Copy that shit. Whoa, we're not doing GNOME screen. We're doing Ubuntu server. That will give me a lot of the advice I need anyway. Sudo nano /boot tab and then config tab.ini. So it has all of this stuff. So that's the default. I'm pretty sure overlay profile selects which one it's going to do by default. Right? That's what it would do. So you would do overlay custom. Right? That would in theory get us what we're looking for. Now that we've SSH, we can actually unplug this as well. No more HDMI for you. You have hogged up too much of the HDMI time. Goodbye. Send HDMI away. Alright, mouse? We don't need a mouse anymore. Get rid of that shit. Alright, and I think that should be good. I think that's how that works. So we'll do that. Control S, Control X. It might need the one thing. So it said to put orientation 3. Wait. Is that correct? Oh. I understand. Okay, these will need to be, we'll copy this all out and see if it likes it. We'll use this to delint whatever bullshit I have thrown into there. Alright, see if it likes that. We don't need any of that. Display VU5S? You sure it's not overlay? Pretty sure it is overlay. I'm like 90% sure. You know what? We'll just put it in as display. I like that it didn't even say shit about the other thing. Did not say shit about it at all. Under overlay custom, the so does that work? Like overlay profile doesn't need to have quotations around it? Does it need quotations? I don't actually know. I don't know what I'm doing. God help me. AI help me. Grok help me. Oh, okay. So I did it right. How did I do it right on the first? I guess I'm just a good guesser, I guess. Sudo reboot -h now. Yeah. And also, this uses NetPlan, by the way, so it'll be fun to set this up. Display not light up. What in the tarnations, huh? You'd think the display would be certainly have to light up at this point. But anyway, it's not lighting up. I think that's another part of the thing. So, SSH into Odroid. do it again. Figure this shit out. Get rid of all that. I don't know what the temperature is. It's probably hot. What do we need to do? We need to do grep the message pipe. No, why would I grep? Oh, what am I doing? Sudo the message pipe grep for DRM. All right, and it is working, I think. Failed to reserve memory. That's a sign that it needs me to do some things. Let's go ahead and... Needs me to turn off the HDMI. That's what it needs me to do. The reason it needs HDMI off is because that doesn't work with this. It doesn't like HDMI, so... Alright, so that means HDMI is active. Oh, okay, so it wants me to redo the sudo nano. You can also set fan speeds in these configs too, which I've done before. Get rid of all that. What did I do? Stopped. FG. What did I do? How what? Ubuntu? Actually, I know what to do. H-top. Where is the nano at? F3. Nano. All right. Enter. Kill. Whoa, this is cool. Enter to send. Send. Kill it. I don't think I have the power to do it because I didn't sudo htop. Sudo versus sudo. F3. Oh, look at the low perform. Oh, wow. That's actually really not bad, honestly. It's not bad on performance. Like, I'm surprised. Ubuntu server, not bad. Although, pretty shitty still. Alright, nano. F9 to kill. Maximum kill. Do it as root. Send. Kill it. What will it kill? Whoa, so many signals? Wow. 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 Did that work? Obviously it needs a bit higher of a version. Maybe I need to select sig term, like space. Send it. Dump it. Well, we know it's 1058, so sudo kill 1058 htop control, or no, F3 nano. No, it's still going. Okay, so then will sudo nano work? Oh, it does. Thank God. I don't know why I was trying to kill nano. Oh my God, I was doing something very bad. All right, when was Club Penguin kill? I love that one. It's so good. When was Club Penguin kill? Sudo. All right, that should be good. Sudo reboots dash h now. All right, the Linux sphere, bro. Oh yes, so yes. Oh my gosh, but it's like a fucking phone. PCIe link failed to host. Failed to initialize host. What do you mean you failed to initialize host? Bro, this would be awesome to have like a fucking strap it to my arm, bro. Oh yeah. Capacitive mode? Can I get like a, you know, like a touch screen? So I don't have to, this is the future right here. This is the future of my system administration career. It's gonna all be right on this, well, career. It's not even a career, it's a hobby. Future of my system administration hobby. I mean, it could become a career. I mean, if Elon hires me to work on Grok AI for him, I'll use JLang for it. Oh, you aren't ready for JLang, array processing language? Very good. Now, how do I add more fun stuff to it? For example, what if I wanted to htop everything in there? I want to add a terminal emulator to it with a alright, now I need a virtual keyboard for the terminal. Good job, Mr. Freeman. Good job. Whoa. Alright, that's what we need to do first, guys. Time to do it from this thing. Bing, ding, 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 ding. I like how on Arch Linux it actually logs everything that happens and then prints the log out on the terminal. The future of system administration is here with the ArcPad Pro Max Ubuntu Deluxe 5.10 kernel. Yas. So good. I am loving it. Please log me in at this time. I need to be logged in at this time. Alright, next task. We need to install some things. X11 to, okay, required. Alright, sudo apt update It stopped mid-update. Sudo apt upgrade. Defaults. I should have done sudo apt update and upgrade. libgilb. GNU Python. Python GNU. Just use JLang, guys. It's an array processor language. Python is a script language. Python is not array processor. Python is GP, general purpose. Ooh, what the fuck is going on there? Some peelage? Polonium. That's what's going on. Polonium. I like this format. It's like weird because it's tall, but I mean, it should work. Slightly bigger than the Pi 5 display. Oops, I'm just reaching over to grab my Pi 5, guys. Pi 5 display. The Pi 5 display is this thing, which is significantly smaller than that, actually. I take it back. Slightly bigger? The only thing that's the same is the fucking height. It's even larger on the height, though. Good job, Mr. Freeman. It's time to choose. Well, what's next? It's finishing setting up the thingies. Finishing to set up my Ubuntu. Good job using DTB. Oh, it's rebuilding the DTB. I hope it doesn't cause any issues. Installing new boot script. Oh, it's rebuilding the kernel and stuff. Oh, fuck. Maybe I shouldn't have sudo apt updated. Son of a... Holy Greg. I hope it didn't break anything by installing new DTBs. I want to get a uname from this. So, uname -r gives you a kernel version. 5.1, that's good. Hopefully when we reboot, it's not like 6.1 or some shit where it doesn't have any support for the fucking thing. Thank God I didn't update my DTB or anything. This is for the router, by the way. So that would use fast fetch and we could pull that it's arc. But, or arch. So we currently have 90% Debian, 5% Ubuntu, and another 5% of my setup is Arch Linux for ARM. Oh, but if you count the x86 machines, we easily outnumber all of these in by 3. Well, x86 is already like worth like what, 2 of these boards? Like 2 of these boards probably can do what my desktop can do, honestly. It's crazy. But I think 3 would do it. I think 3 would be the deal breaker. So 2 would be even, 3 would be breaking it. And they don't even cost nearly as much as my desktop would cost nowadays. What I value my desktop at versus what I bought it at. $4 grand is what I value it at nowadays. Bought it for like $700 before the RAM crisis. And that's not even accounting for the fact that I've used it, so decreases value by using. But I don't count that. Because to me it has $4,000 of value. To me that's worth $4,000. This is worth like $4,000 to me, honestly. This is a fucking amazing setup. If we can set it up with the game servers I'll make eventually. Anyway, what's the next task? Right? What does AI tell me to do? Tells me to Matchbox keyboard, Matchbox window manager. Directly in the pure terminal TTY, you must start an X session. X init match keyboard, no cursor. Okay, so we're about to install a keyboard. So Matchbox is actually the keyboard, I think. Please do it now. And then we're gonna try out the next thing it says, because that's the command to do it. Pretty sure this is what you would do on a Pi 5 as well. I don't know if it's a touchscreen, so I don't know if that's correct. I think it's touchscreen. If it is touchscreen, you're gonna see me doing this for like the next part of the stream. I'm just gonna be... It's probably capacitive, honestly. It's definitely capacitive. There's a difference between these two screens. Like this one, I can feel it's got like some kind of air or gas or something in there. Or like if you press it, makes a different noise. But that's like a fucking hard glass. This is a capacitive one. This is like if I try to do this on my phone. Now, my phone, however, I could probably get away, and I have been able to get away with this in the past, but you take a piece of metal and you do this. That works like a finger as well. Don't know how that works, but I don't know a lot, do I? I'm pretty fucking dumb. So now we can do X init Matchbox keyboard. Let's see what that does in the terminal on here. To run X users. Or to run X users. Oh. Xorg. X init giving up. It gave up on us. Alright, that means I need to plug into it and see if I can do it from myself. Alright, so what we're gonna run the X server. So we're gonna do X init. No, actually, that's my, shit. You all won't even be able to see this, but I'm gonna do my login. Let me hold that up so you all can see it. Yes, that's my, Odroid. Enter. That's amazing, right? Whoa, Odroid M1S. Alright, so now I need to type that in. X init matchbox dash tab. No, that doesn't work. Keyboard dash dash no cursor. Oh, there's no space there. Oops. All right, now that's the command if you all can't see it. All right. Server error, unrecognized option, no cursor. Okay. All right, hides the pointer. So that's not right though, because that's not doing what it's supposed to do. This runs the command at the start. So it had dash. Oh, I did dash dash no cursor, right? Oh, I did. Oh, I didn't do dash no cursor. Storage media equals eMMC. Build operating system Linux Ubuntu. Weird. Can I get that debug log? Is that in the... How do I get a log? Let's see. How to log from SSH. I wonder if we can just mirror the shit through SSH, and then you all could just watch SSH as I do it. Interesting. So all I have to do is redirect it from SSH. Control D. What would oh, I didn't detach anything. Control D. Cool. Disconnected from that session. And then we can do SSH. Troy at 166, and then it pipes it to this one. So that way you all can see what I'm doing without seeing what I'm doing. It's going to be pretty interesting now. And then T session log. So you would pipe it to T, wait, what? Okay. What if we mirror it? Okay, start a session with screen-s my session, detach control AAD, then via attach using screen X. Oh, so to mirror or view a local console from an S, the most effective, that's not, how do you do it? Run tmux on the local machine to create a session. Then connect via SSH and run tmux attached to view. Oh, okay. I know what to do. It will take me a second. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so we don't need to do any of that other stuff. Anyway, don't need to do any of that. That's dumb. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, then I can do tmux. And now I can do connect to it through there. Alright, I should be able to connect via tmux now. So you would do tmux attach. God damn it, I don't know English. Whoa. Look at this shit. No way. Bro, is that even real? I'm attached. I'm in the Matrix, bruh. Oh? What? Holy shit. Well, now you all can see what I'm doing. So I'm... what the fuck? Bro, this is so meta right now. I'm not gonna lie, this is fucking crazy. I'm holding the power in my hands to do it on both screens at once. So what if I tmux detach? Oh wait, if I do it on one, it does it on the other. So if I do it on there, that's not... Oh, this is crazy. What? Bro, my mind has never been so more blown before. I don't understand what I just did. What the fuck did I do? So I tmux attach, and then it attaches me to this. Holy shit. Tmux attach. What the fuck? Oh my god. But it creates like this whole screen right over here. You can see it's got bash. It's layered levels of tmux. I have 2 tmuxes, and I'm not afraid to use them. Alright, what's the other side? Welcome to the other side, the Matrix. This is so crazy to me. Alright, now we can run shit through there. Fun. It is fun time, guys, so we're gonna run xorg, what was it, dash init. Bro, I'm having too much fun with this shit. I'm literally writing out my fucking Armbian device. Or no, not my... I'm retired from Armbian. I'm writing out my Ubuntu distro, Ubuntu server. Holy shit, bro! This is the future. This is gonna be the all-in-one computer that Jeff Zuckerberg talked about in the fucking early 2000s, guys. I swear to God, this is crazy to me. All right, well, we're gonna place it like this, so that way it's easy to watch what it's doing for you guys. And then you get to have the live, oh my gosh, it's happening on both screens at the same time reaction like I am. Please don't do that. Please don't fall down. How do I stop it from falling down? I need a big knife. Big old knife right there. That does it. Told you so. Alright, next task. So now that we've mirrored and successfully done that, we need to do xorg. We need to run that command again and get the output from there. So, run this. You cannot, in the pure terminal, you must start with an X session. Do it. Only console users are allowed to use the X server. Fuck! Means I need to replug in my keyboard. Son of a bitch. You're telling me that ain't a console user right there? Bro, basically we've invented TeamViewer by using tmux. Please don't plug your USB into the HDMI port. Only allowed to use the X server. Whoa, okay. Tmux detach. Shit. Well, that sucks. I mean, you all can still see I'm doing shit. tmux kill dash server, and it's for the server. So now when I do X in it, it does all that shit. Server terminated with error 1. Alright, so server error terminated with that. So now I need to figure out why it terminated with that. And also make this thing not fall down again. Alright, so server error terminated with the other thing. That's an interesting question. Server terminated error 1 xorg. Give me the answers, please. Immediate fixes. Okay. We're gonna cat the var slash xorg. I wonder if I can do that from here. Do that from this system, since it would be easier. Control Shift V. What do you mean? ls. Wait. Sudo. Because it is a var. It is under root. Slash var log why don't we install Wayland on my server, guys? Wayland server, huh? Wayland server would be spectaculoso. Maybe it wants this. That's not right though. EE, no screens found. Well, I'll look at what it says. It says minus minus, right? WWEENI not implemented. So it's not implemented? NI EENI. Oh, I need a sudo. I'm stupid. Sudo. Oh, I have X server run. Oh. What does it say now? Oh, it needs to sudo apt install xterm. Alright. I see what I'm doing. Don't do any of that shit. Sudo, oh, actually, we can probably do it now. Here we go. Goodix capacitive touchscreen. Oh god. That is a lot. Keyboard. But yeah, let's just do sudo apt install the specific thing it needs installed is xorg or xterm should be what it's looking for. Do it. Dumpits. Now it will work because it always tells you what goes wrong. If you just read You don't even need to use AI sometimes. Exactly. Exactly the answer. Oh yeah. That right there is a keyboard, if I've ever seen one. I can't fucking do shit. Son of a... Alright, next step is making the touch screen work. You can't see the keyboard, can you? I mean, you all can't see that, right? Right? Oh, I'm burning out the... Whoa. I almost burnt out... What the fuck? Prepare to burn out the lens on the camera. I hope that doesn't damage the camera. That's actually cool that it does that. I didn't know the camera would do that, but that's amazing. Make the camera wear sunglasses from now on if it burns out. Okay. Control C. Well, I now have that installed. I don't know how to get it out of there. Alright, so now set up Xorg touch screen. That's the next step, setting up the Xorg touch screen. Will it work? Calibrator and... Oh, I mean calibrator? So we're gonna install Xinput calibrator, and libinput tools. That all sounds familiar. Please do so at this time. Alright. My setup's becoming very fragile. But we need to exit that session of Xorg, so... Xorg. Exit Xorg session from SSH. I'm thinking I'm just going to use htop and kill it, but yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and htop. Find the Xorg X server. Should be X server somewhere. It's got no pointer, by the way. That's what it's called. No pointer. Here we go. No cursor sessions. F9 to kill. Enter. Didn't do anything. Alright, I need to sudo htop. What's the process? 13289. Sudo kill 13289. Which killed it, as you can see. Look at me go. Tmux. I need it tmuxed because I need it to split, okay? Control B, shift, oh shit. Tmux kill dash server. Oh fuck. Oh no. I need to SSH back in there. Alright, well we had it really cool before. I'm sorry guys. But now it has to be done as SSH. What was, oh, yeah, 10.1.10 166. Yes, should be that. And then add odroid for that. Cool, very cool. Cool, I've got a monitor now for that, so I can watch as processes occur and control what's going on with those processes. Pretty sure that htop is for this one. No, it's for the... Oh. For the Pi. Because you can't do 2 tmux sessions. Unless... split... dash... v. That's how you do 2 of them at the same time. Now... I can't go up or down, because that's 1 session. So to go up and down, I gotta do it through, like, there. But I can't do it through there, so... I mean, how do I go up and down in this session? And that's the real question, because you don't have access to this. So let's grab our tmux cheat sheet again. The ultimate answer to any problems you might have. So to switch a pane, usually it's Control B and then you just hit an arrow. However, to switch a, you can also do tmux send keys. I think that would work. Okay, so you need to do a bunch of stuff. So you would need to do... Oh, you can do windows, swap windows, panes. But you cannot go to the other pane. I think you can send keys from one pane, so that's a cool way of doing it. So if you need to do that, you can do tmux send keys. Tmux send keys. Htop. Oh, don't do that. How do you do tmux? Or dash dash help. Terminal has more information on this. Send keys. So you would do a pane. Oh, dash T for your pane. And then you can enter. Can you explain how to download Linux in 512 RAM smartphone? Arch Linux? I mean, this isn't even a phone right here. This is Odroid board. But Arch ARM is a thing. I have it on the Pi. Pi has it. This thing, the Pi 5, has the Arch Linux on there. Arch Linux is the best flavor, honestly. I think we can all agree about that here. It's the most up-to-date. Always. Anyway. Gotta do tmux send keys. And I think it's target is 0. Yeah, I think that'd be correct. htop. And then enter. Oh, look at that! Bro, no way. Why is it like that, though? How? What? Is this not... Odroid? So here is the other one running Arch Linux. Here's the one running Ubuntu. The one with the screen is running Ubuntu. The one that's like humming super loud is it's got Arch. So now, bro, I didn't realize it only has 4 CPUs. That's not right. It has 6, I believe. No, it had 4 CPUs. Yeah. What is the RK3566 specs? Specs. Yeah. What are the specs on that? Quad core. Oh, okay. I thought it was the 6 core, but I guess that would be this one. The N2L. But N2L, he's gonna go to hell for now. Until we have the fucking Wi-Fi pieces. So until then, we won't be messing with it. But very cool. So now I can tmux attach pane or do whatever I was doing. What was I gonna do though? I was gonna do like some xorg something. I think we're good. What was it? So we exit the xorg session, and then we need to do all of this stuff. So I think we did that, and then we need to do this. Start your xinit session. And open a terminal. Let me check what I'm doing. -- no cursor. All right, I got it. I got my Xterm opened up. Xterm, it's gonna fry the fucking camera. Awesome. Then we can go back down to here. So Xterm is open. Device. So we need to identify the touch drive. Do X input list. I didn't do anything. Maybe I need to do it on here. X input list. Unable to connect to X server? Okay, makes sense. Do I need to start my X server and then do it separately? Hold on, I won't be able to kill it from there. Maybe if I hit Q? Oh, that works. The Q key works. Oh, it works now. Wait, did I touch it? Oh, it fucking works. Holy shit. You guys can't see it, but every time I touch the screen, it changes. I have a screen that does things. Next step is to change the color of the screen so it's not so fucking blasting my eyes. Does Arch Linux run on Raspberry Pi Zero? Arch Linux? I don't know. There actually is stuff on the wiki about that. I think it should be on the wiki though. Oh, maybe? Pi 3? Yeah, you can do it on the Pi 3 easy though. Easy Pi 3 apparently. Pi 02. Oh god. And if, oh, this is actually a really easy installation though. I remember how easy this shit was. Now, when it comes to things that need U-boot, that's when it gets hard, because then you have to DD and put the fucking U-boot on there. So U-boot is a pain in the ass, but this is not really that bad. Anyway, tap the screen and then put in my keyboard, or put in my inputs. What was it? X input list. Sino-Wealth Gaming Keyboard? What the fuck? What am I reading? GoodX capacitive touchscreen. Bro, what the fuck are we doing? We have the GoodX touchscreen and the Sino keyboard. Oh well, I mean it's pretty cool though. Like honestly, Pi Zero cluster is pretty cool. I think I've seen some clusters of it. Cluster for Pi Zero. I think Armbian is a better distro for ARM though. I think Armbian definitely is my favorite so far. It's very easy to install, but still it needs a bit of compatibility work with very niche boards. Like, I don't think this one's super niche, but it's like kind of in the realm of becoming niche. No, it's not niche at all. It's far from it, but it should have more support than it does. I'm just saying. So X server. Bro, I'm literally setting up my own installation right now. Holy shit. What's next? What does the thing say to do next? Ubuntu server, X input list, rotation test, temporary? Whoa, okay. I think this is wrong too. Input calibration name. I mean, it's calibrated, I think. Does it work if I do this? No, it's capacitive, so it only works like that. But if it works with this is the real question. I don't like that. It's like super not nice to me. I don't like this. Sorry, I mean the pen. I don't like how it sounds so hard. But fingers work really well. Fingers work good. It's because it's capacitive. That's why it doesn't work with stylus or anything like that. Okay. Make a udev rule. Find device attributes. Oh god. But we're making progress, so that's good. Alright, so the next task is to figure out how to put another one down here and put a keyboard in it. How to put a touch keyboard at the bottom half. Cool. Cannot use a simple command line flag, so it lacks native geometry arguments. Instead, you must use a window launcher utility called devil spi2 and force its position. Okay. So I have to sudo apt install that. Is that correct? What the fuck is devil spie2? I guess I mean that makes sense. Is that developer or... Oh, it is that. Okay, devil. Cool. I've never used Ubuntu for anything before. Bro, this thing is thermal throttling constantly. But this thing has the fan on, so it's not struggling at all. I should install my Xbox 360 fan. Bro, what is the memory usage like? What the hell? This one looks good. This one, bad. Bad maxing, memory maxing. Mem maxing. Alright, so what's the next step? Alright, so I need to do that. We need to make that. So mkdir dash p and then that. .config slash devil spie shoe. Alright, so next step, create the script file. Keyboard.lua. Paste the following code. I hope that's accurate. Hope it's not like I have to learn Lua to do this. Oh wait. Oh, this is pretty cool though. Because Lua is an embedded language. So that's easy. Update your xinit rc. So I guess nano xinit rc. So it has its own bash too. Oh, what? Did I do it right? That looks right. Okay. Control C, then Control Shift V. I have no idea what. Execute Matchbox keyboard. Oh, that puts it at the bottom. Window positioning daemon is this. So it just executes 3 programs. Then it should just be... Ah, so that creates a scale. Apply and test. So you chmod plus X. What was it? Like X dot xinit rc. Cool. And I guess X in it? Whoa. Oh wait, I can't do it from here. Hold on, I have to do it on this one. It needs to be done as sudo, by the way. Just to let you all know that I forgot to do it as sudo. Yeah, me failing. Sudo X init. Whoa. Okay. It's not doing anything. Oh, it is doing stuff. I see a mouse. Like it's my mouse input exists. Like my cursor exists, bro. Holy shit. Put a cursor on there. So I have my touchpad, but I want to have the ability to type things. That would be the future of technology right there. So then we plug in through this, and then we can do system administration through this. Beautiful. Cool. So keyboard not on screen. What if I get Tmux in there? Tmux? Can I get Tmux in this thing? Oh, yes you can. Well, anyway, Control C, Tmux kill dash server exit. So X in it is so fucking cool. Start X. Can you move X term? This is great troubleshooting. All right. So what are we doing? We're doing start X. Sudo start X. Oh, wow. Cursor is good. Start the keyboard manually in the background inside your X session. Okay. So I would do Alt F3, Alt F4. Which one exits me from this? I'm now stuck in there. I'm stuck with my mouse on the screen. I mean, it's basically a desktop environment. Oh my god. Anyway, time to find the process we're looking for. So, oh, we can't actually scroll. Oops. Alright, Tmux send key, or send dash keys dash T and scroll us down. Or, yeah, F2, or F3? 0 F3. Alright, now we're searching. Tmux send keys 0. Bro, this shit's so fucking strange. X. O. Oh no, don't do that. Send nothing. Send back space. ESC. Oh god! Gordon, we're doomed. F3. DEL. No. We're screwed now. I fucked it up. CTRL. No, don't even do that. Tmux send key backspace. B space. It says to send B space. Me typing on my keyboard. Whoa. Look at this shit, bro. How the fuck do I end up? Alright. Tmux send keys X. I. No, backspace. Why did I do it like that again? XI. Backspace. 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 And then send, just send a fucking I. X in it. Sudo kill 14615. Ha 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 ha. Oh, I'm absolutely evil, aren't I? I just killed X-Org. I'm the real X-Org destroyer today. Alright, anyway, so we need to do X in it, and then we just run this. Start the keyboard manually and in the background inside your X session. Sudo X in it. I think I fucked something up when I did this. But never mind, I actually did not. Alright, tap on that. We are going to start a session called oh, look at my mouse, bro. It's so fucking sweet. What was it called again? We're gonna start Matchbox keyboard. I bet like the actual install procedures are a bit easier than this. Oh, I didn't. Now I have to retype everything. And whoa, okay. Hold on. I can press the space button. That's pretty cool. But bro, X is so fucking cool. X-Org, bro. X-Org makes the world go round. X-Org right here. What do I do next? So I need to do Q. I'm stuck. I need to do it again. Ugh. Oh, I need to find the X in it one. Alright, I found it again. It is a different one this time. Sudo kill 12 3 1 2. Oh, I missed it. 12 3 1 2. Oh, 14 17. Freedom. Freedom from the X-Org. The X-Org. X.com. Oh yeah. X.org? X.org. The name is different. Matchbox keyboard with capital letters. Well, we already know it's fine. Test without devil SPI 2. Temporary bypass the script. Restart X. P-kill X init. Okay, I guess I'll type that in. P-kill X init. Or, yeah, sudo p-kill X init. Alright, now X init. Sudo X init. And to my dismay, nothing happens. Exit. Do it again. All right, so maybe we do that. It needs me to sudo. Does it even have a var log? There's no instances of that in there, so that's not crashing. Bro, it gave me the wrong one, I think. Sudo, or yeah, let's just ls-a should give us the config. ls-config .config. All right, and then there's devil spi. We don't even need to sudo nano. We just need to do nano devil spie2. Not for that, but for the .config / devil spie2 / tab, and that should give us what we're looking for. Control, actually don't even do that. I think you just hold backspace. Lua looks really simple. I feel like it is really simple. So I hope this is the correct shit. I don't have to learn Lua today. That's literally what we had. Oh, wait. Let's try it again. Sudo x init. Does it pop up? There's no keyboard. Cool. What else does it say? Must launch the components in a specific order. Okay. ls-a should show us that there is a, yes, nano .xinit rc. What is that? Oh, xint? Did I just put xint? What am I doing? Alright, so it has this. And it wants Matchbox Window Manager first. Devil SPI E2 and a Matchbox keyboard with -S100 extended. But if that's not the case, is it just that Devil SPI E2 doesn't work? Maybe they have documentation on how it works. Devil SPI E2. Let's see if there's documentation. Scripted actions. When quit. Sure, why not do this? Never mind. Maybe it's not finding the script. devil spie2 not finding the script. But that's the case. It doesn't find the script. You must run it with --debug. Okay. Let's do this. Actually, that's not it. That's xint. Xinit. --debug. Cool. And now we can hit Control X. Should be able to do that. So if I do sudo xinit, now how do I get the log? Now launch your keyboard? What do you mean, now launch my keyboard? Matchbox. What does it say? Dash keyboard. It doesn't even launch the keyboard, maybe? Maybe it doesn't launch the keyboard. I guess that's a good answer to the problem. We need to find xinit again. I. All right, now sudo pkill xinit. Oh, that works even better. I don't even need to find the process ID. What? I guess that's what it wants now. Where's the Lua ones? I hate Lua. I don't want to learn Lua for this video. That'd be terrible. The whole history. Sudo nano. Oh yeah, that. I just want this keyboard to work. And then I'll be able to do everything on here without using my computer. Hopefully. So that's it. This is the final one. Apparently, oh, it just added debug codes. I don't even know, man. I don't even know what it's doing now. Oh, shit. Me thinking it will stand up. Me realizing I'm wrong. Alright. Very dangerous task. Yeah, fucking sudo pkill. Devil spie2 --debug. Cannot open a display. sudo, oh wait, sudo spie, or no, it's sudo devil spie 2 dash dash debug. Oh, it wants to use roots, use scripts from that root. It's using a different directory for scripts. Well, that's easy to figure out. You just gotta do it all in Xorg. Xorg. Yep. Amazing, if you are correct. Find the active directory, run devil SPI 2 with the help flag. Alright, so then I just... I already know the active directory. So it doesn't do anything when it does it. We just gotta add this to the thing. Control exit. So we go into here, right? We go and do our thing. We're gonna go ahead and find the one that says .xinit.rc. Going to add on that. Yeah, put it for there. Control. All right, and then sudo xinit. All right. Now we do the same things we did before. Devil SPIE debug. Which one did we force it into? Oh shit. What does it say? Matchbox, keyboard extended. Using a title bar. Yeah, I mean, that looks about right. Oh, what's the other ones? Verify script location extension. Oh. Alright, sudo pkill devil spie 2, which worked. I think sudo xinit. And does that run these when you start it up? Devil spie 2 dash or dash dash debug. Devil spie 2 dash dash debug. And then it has dash f slash home slash odroid slash dot config slash devil spie2 slash dash dash debug. Using scripts from folder has a window open events for keyboard. All right, so that it finds them when it runs that command, so that's correct. So what else does it do? Does it do that correctly? Or does this like cut it off or something? It's probably something with this script. So it's probably that it just needs to run the script inside of X, and it just doesn't. Okay, so it keeps going. Cool. Let me figure it out for 5 minutes. So I guess match box dash keyboard dash s extended. Put in 100. Extended. Huh? Wait, maybe that's wrong because it needs to not be 100. I think that's wrong. It's just something with this. That's what's wrong with it. I mean, we already know it's wrong. Control-Shift-C. Control-V. Feed it this information. Ah! Dash force floating mode? Match box dash s or dash keyboard dash s 100. What does that do? What about matchbox dash f? Keyboard dash F. Okay, it's doing something weird. So it is getting caught by that. What was the config for that again? So it doesn't take extended. We know that. Control S. And we know that potentially the is the Lua correct? see if that's correct. Probably isn't. And it's probably going to second guess itself and hallucinate. To mislead a minstrel match. Additionally, the window name might be localized. Matchbox keyboard versus Matchbox keyboard. Oh, okay. So then... Control X. Do 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 do. It's probably this shit, honestly. Control Shift V. Nice. I don't know how that works. It's probably that it's trying to do that. All right, so we need to pkill x init. All right, it wants me to sudo pkill devil spie 2. And then do it again. Sudo x init. Should be caught and should do that thing. Keyboard. Honestly, I can work with this. Keyboard dash matchbox dash S100 command not found. Oh, it's running at root. You know what it is? It's running at root. So when I sudo x init, it all runs at root. That's why it doesn't find the thing right away. That makes a lot of sense, actually. That makes a lot of sense now. But I think that's all I got for today. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time, and I'm probably gonna finish